This is my phone.
I'm not back.
Why don't you pick up those 2 shirts and not pick up those pants? Okay, keep looking, because you dropped it.
I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
Wow.
I was going to leave it on your CPAP machine for you to pick up, but no.
I like the decorative.
Show the camera. Isn't it pretty? Your hand is in the way. There you go. Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year. I love you.
Oh, you do.
We had a feeling.
You had a feeling?
We both did.
So did Jessica.
Oh, kitty.
April didn't get it. I told her Darren rubbed right off and she thought I had baby fever. I was like, I don't think you understand.
Find out.
Hello, 911.
What you think?
What really happened?
I don't know how violent this is happening.
Boys.